Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. The Funeral Program site is proud to present our funeral order of service programs with a musical theme design. We carefully craft our backgrounds relating to the specific theme by using elements such as musical notes and instruments. These backgrounds are a great choice for a loved one who sang, played an instrument, or just enjoyed music as a whole. Choose from the largest inventory of DIY templates available only at our online superstore. The Funeral Program site is your trusted source for all of your funeral printed needs. Don't be caught unprepared in the event you have to put together a funeral order of service program. We have various options to choose from, and help is always near with our friendly customer service team. Visit the Funeral Program site today and create your own program or let our designer do it for you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming helpful videos, only available here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.